Hi guys, this is Michael Alexander with CoinSider. Thanks for joining another Quick Charts presentation. If you're not familiar, Quick Charts brings you the top analyst all in one page to save you time and research so you don't miss that next big price move in Bitcoin. And today is May 6th about 9 p.m. We're going to review 4 analysts to see what's happening. We've had a move towards 10K in Bitcoin, and now we have a few different viewpoints on the bull and bear scenarios. So we're going to go over that. And before we start, if you haven't seen our demo video, we have a link in the description. Just please check that out. And let's get into the micro charts right now. We have 3 sections. We have the micro charts, we have the predictions and reasoning right here, and then we have the analyst candle charts right here. So for the first part, let's just go over the 4 little micro charts here. We have the dotted lines to look out for, which we could have some major price action. Here we have 2 different ways that the market could go. Here is one way the market could go, and here's one way the market can go. So we basically have a bear scenario going down here. We have a bull and bear. We have a bull and a long-term bear, and we have a short-term bear and then bull longer term. So again, look out for these price points. We're going down 93.50. If we break that, 91.77. If we break that, we can go to the 8,000 to 8,500 range. And also for the bear scenario, if we go down to 94.80, if we break that, then to 9,050. If we break that, then to the 8,700 range, specifically 86.50 to 8,700. So these two here are a little bit similar. If we have key price points we're breaking. This is a much longer term view to 11,500 and then very low. This is just a range, this square here. And again here it's just a short pullback to 9,200 before resuming the uptrend. But let's go into detail on these analysts. We have here Silicon first, where we have his bull and bear. So if we do maintain above 9,500, then we could see 10,375. Again, this is the prediction and the reasoning. Just you can look at the details here. But if we do break below 9,050, we can go to we can go to 9,050 if we go below 94.80, and of course if we break below 9,050, we can go to 8,700 range. This is Heijin, and he believes that we are just doing a zigzag down to 9,200. So he's an Elliott wave technician, and he is a long-term bull, so that's why I drew that line here. Wave 618 is an Elliott wave technician as well. He has a longer-term, bigger picture, so again to 11,500 range. We could even see even up towards 1250, but he is a long-term bear. So once we do get to this area, this would be a bigger picture correction before we resume downwards, and doesn't mean we're breaking the previous low of 6,000, but we should have a 3-month bear market into August 25th. And then we have JD Marshall here with a few price points going down. He is a longer term bull right now, but he believes that if we head to 93.50, if we break that, we would go to 91.77. If we break that, we would go down to the 8,000 to 8,500 range. But he does believe that we'd bounce and we should see some longer term bull. If we do break below the 8,000 range, then that puts us in a different situation and we would move more into a bear market. Now let's look at the candle charts. For Silicon, this is a bear scenario where we have completed wave 5. We have this channel here, and we're going to be going probably down to test these channel supports of 9,100, and if we break this channel, we'll probably see 8,600, 8,650 to 8,750. The bull scenario is that we could have just finished a wave 3, wave 4, and the wave 5 isn't finished yet. We're going to go to wave 5 on a leading diagonal, and we have the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have another wave left, which could bring us up to 10,375. And then of course after this wave 5 we would see a pullback. But that is the bull scenario. He is more in favor of the bear scenario though. And then we have Heijin again. He sees us in a current pullback, completing wave 5, which is this line here from 64.50 up to 10,000, and we should finish up at 8,200 where his line is. Of course it's not a guarantee that we finish because we have many different pullback possibilities, I think 64 different possibilities, but he just drew this for a quick reference. Then wave 618 is the longer term where he sees the X being at around 11,500 before resuming to this Y right here to complete a pullback for Bitcoin from the December 17th all the way to August 25th, which is a healthy retracement period before we move up from August 25th. And JD Marshall is a price action trader. He draws lines seeing where the action is, and he sees that we don't want to break the 8,000 zone to remain bullish. We have a few prices that we can break through, which if we do break through the 91.77, if we break under the 91.77, we'll go down to the 8,000 to 8,500 zone, where we should bounce off that. So those are the 4 analysts today, and we've reviewed 3 sections. We've just gone into the detailed section here of the candle charts, which are the analyst. And these are the predictions and reasoning sections, so you can just quickly reference that to see the microcharts, their prediction conditional statements, some reasons, their short, medium, and long term, their social media account, and the time or the date that they made these forecasts or predictions. And of course we have the quick reference charts, and you can just reference these quick charts with the ones down here. You can just match it up to see who it is. So thanks for coming to another quick charts today. Again, we bring the top analyst all on one page to save you time and research, and hopefully you don't miss the next big move by having all these different viewpoints for you. Again, all of the viewpoints and opinions of the analyst are their own opinions, and also any viewpoints or opinions of Coinsider is not financial advice. If you're doing any trading, please make sure to do your own due diligence, as there's always risk of losing money in trading. So hope you enjoyed today's quick charts. It's May 6th, about 9 p.m. New York time, and we'll see you in the next quick charts. Have a great day.